It is often asked, is the cooling capacity generated by a chiller during refrigeration the same as the heat dissipation of the cooling tower? The answer is no, they are not equal. From the perspective of the law of conservation of energy, the refrigeration process of a chiller essentially involves transporting heat out of indoor spaces. The heat within the indoor environment is absorbed by chilled water and eventually released to the outdoors through the cooling tower. However, during this process, additional heat is generated, the heat produced by the chiller's compressor. Therefore, the heat emitted by the cooling tower includes not only the cooling capacity absorbed from indoors, but also the heat generated by the compressor due to the conversion of electrical energy. Although the equipment such as water pumps also generates heat during operation, this portion of heat is generally negligible in practical calculations because it accounts for a relatively small proportion. Thus, the total heat dissipation equals the cooling capacity plus the electrical power consumed by the compressor. This principle applies not only to chillers, but also to systems like air source heat pumps, ground source heat pumps, and common household air conditioners. Any system that uses a compressor for both refrigeration and heating follows this rule.